Keep going now from the Sierra and down into the valley. Everywhere will be hit by this storm, whether it's rain or snow. See, reporter covering San Joaquin County's Charlie LaPastora. He got an inside look from the Office of Emergency Services, Charlie, where there's an operation dedicated to helping the public during storms like these. How are they preparing?
Yeah, Tony, that's exactly right. The National Weather Service issued a flood watch for San Joaquin County, and that goes through 4 p.m. the day after Christmas. So if your plans are to visit family, your loved ones this week, there's just a few extra precautions to take. That County of Emergency Services that you mentioned, Tony, wants residents to be aware that this storm is reminiscent of that 2022 to 23 flood, but wants to reassure them that it's still different, not like the major one that flooded out mobile communities. And they're looking at about 4 to 6 inches of rain across 6 to 7 days. They want people to be aware that heavy rain and gusty winds can lead to dangerous driving conditions and localized roadway flooding and ponding. I spoke with the County Office of Emergency Services PIO, who encourages the community to drive slow when those conditions arise and plan to leave a bit earlier.
Protecting your family should be your #1 priority, and that starts with preparedness, especially for winter weather, rain, storms. We want to make sure that you're prepared. Yeah.
You can keep your family prepared with 3 steps. Jean told me by signing up for San Joaquin Ready alerts on sjready.org or by texting SJ Storms to 888-777, making plans and building emergency kits. Jean told me they expect the storm to affect more northern parts of San Joaquin County. They want communities along the rivers and waterways to make sure they're prepared. And for anyone whose trailer home was affected by that major 2022 flood, she told me you can apply for a grant to rebuild a safer, flood-ready home through self-help enterprises. Now, there are also sandbag locations and warming centers available all throughout the county. We'll be sure to include the link to how you can access those on CBS13.com.
All right, good information, Charlie, live in Stockton. Thank you. Let's